Hi, I'm Ryan Starnes with IntegratePT.com. I'm going to show you a great exercise for working the gluteus medius muscle. This is a muscle that crosses the hip joint, stabilizes both the femur of the thigh as well as the pelvis. So as a result, it's very important for having a healthy knee, a healthy hip, and a healthy back. This exercise takes place in a side lying position. I'll go ahead and start by bending the bottom hip and knee. And then the top leg, this is going to be the gluteus medius that works. The top leg I'm going to keep in a straight position. It's important that I'm not coming forward with a foot. So I know it's hard to see from that angle, but I've got a straight line going shoulder, hip, and ankle all the way down. Also, my lowest position will be horizontal with the floor. So I'm not going to drop down here. I'm going to stop here and then go back up. This exercise looks like this. So I'm going to go ahead and lift up the foot and then go ahead and bring this guy back down. Not a very large range of motion, as you can see. What you'll want to do is to put your hand on your pelvis to make sure that the pelvis isn't moving. So oftentimes what I'll see clients do is come up and they want to go a little bit further, and they'll actually hike the pelvis up towards the rib cage. And that's actually not what we want to do. We want to keep all the motion in the hip. So go ahead and put your hand in your pelvis just to make sure it's not moving. Keep all the motion in the hip. So I'm not going to come up very far. Again, pretty small range of motion. And you can continue this exercise until the muscle fatigues. So at a certain point, in between 15 and 25 reps most often, this muscle is not going to be able to complete much of a range of motion, or you're going to have to hike the hip in order to actually get the foot to come up there. So go ahead and stop at that point. Go ahead and give yourself about a 30 to a 45 second break, and then you can repeat the exercise. You can repeat it up to 3 times. Good to start with 2, and then go ahead and move on to a third set when you're ready. Again, this is a very important muscle. Gluteus medius is very important for having a healthy knee, both knees if you get 2, healthy hips, as well as a healthy low back. Again, I'm Ryan Starnes with IntegratePT.com. Thanks for watching.